It has finally happened. Now in Canvas, students can annotate files for submission without needing to use the app. In this video, we're going to walk through how to enable student annotations as a Canvas assignment submission type. Once you have logged into your Canvas course, you're going to want to make a new assignment. It is always easiest to create an assignment directly from modules so that you don't have to add it to the desired module later. Fill in your assignment details, such as the assignment name, assignment instructions, etc. And for submission type, choose Online. You'll see the option for Student Annotation. Check the box. And now you're ready to upload a file. The file that you want students to annotate can be a PDF, an image, a word processing file such as a Word document, a presentation file such as a PowerPoint presentation. If you'd like to have students annotate a Google Slides presentation or other Google file, you'll need to download it from your Google Drive to your computer first. Keep in mind that no matter how dynamic the file is originally, such as a Google Slides presentation or a Word document, when students see the file to annotate, it behaves in a very static manner, much like a PDF. Click Upload File. Select the file you'd like students to annotate, and open. Once all of your assignment details are set, you can go ahead and save and publish. Now let's see this from the student point of view. Students will start assignment. Once the PDF loads, they can zoom in if needed. They will be able to leave comments directly on the document. Highlight text. Leave a text box. Even strike through text. Highlighting and striking through text is possible when you upload a PDF file, a Word document, etc. However, it is not possible to highlight and strike through text that is captured within an uploaded image. Students also have the option to free draw, and to make a rectangular selection. Notice that each annotation mark can also be connected to a comment, or the student can choose to leave the comment blank. Once the student is done annotating, he or she can submit the assignment. The student's annotations are now viewable in SpeedGrader. As with other assignment types, the teacher can choose to use a rubric to grade, can leave free-form comments, can leave media comments, attach files, etc. Now the teacher can also see student annotations and comments, and can use the SpeedGrader tools to leave annotations and comments directly on the student file for more targeted feedback.